I got into 3D printing a year and a half ago, the landscape was very different. There were far fewer choices of printers, software, and firmware. That's changed. The industry is booming and there are lots of choices out there today. One thing remains the same. 3D printing can be a big challenge.
We wanted to create a 3D printer that would change things, one that would actually make it easier for people to print things. Now, with the Phoenix 3D printer, we believe that not only are we making a printer that is easy to use, but by breaking the $400 price barrier, we're also making a printer that is easier to afford.
Cost was an important consideration when designing this particular printer. What we wanted was a printer that was affordable, but at the same time didn't give up on important features such as a heated build platform, which allows you to print ABS, or a large build envelope, which allows you to create larger objects. So to that end, we focused on streamlining the design, eliminating any unnecessary components, and what we believe we've come up with is a great balance between cost and feature set.
Some companies are focusing on making 3D modeling easier. Unfortunately, that still doesn't solve the problems facing 3D printing itself. Filament can still get tangled, your nozzle can get clogged, a lot of things can happen in the middle of a 4-hour-long print. Our printing software can help you solve these problems. Our recovery mode includes Print Rewind, which allows you to move the extruder backward to the point of failure and try printing again.
We've also changed the traditional Z-axis design. Most printers use a screw mechanism to raise and lower the Z-axis. We've adopted a belt-driven system. This results in extremely straight-walled prints. Our box test is a prime example of the additional quality you can get using this design.
Power users will also appreciate our printer for the software that comes with it. The software keeps track of your parts and projects, including your STL and G-code files, and also helps you keep track of materials, colors, filaments, anything that you use for printing. Our software will help you keep track of.
We're very excited to bring this printer to market. The affordability of this particular printer brings 3D printing technology to those who wouldn't normally be able to afford it. This is especially true of families, those with young children who need to have access to this technology. Everyone should experience the rush of having an idea that's in your head, getting that translated into the computer, and then ultimately printed out in a physical space. It's an awesome feeling.
We need your help to bring this printer to the market. Remember, Kickstarter is all or nothing, so we need you and your maker friends to help us get 3D printing into more homes. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to send you your Phoenix.